At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, another one here, Jamaica Midwife Association, which them call the JMA Nurses Associations of Jamaica, NAJ, and Jamaica Enrolled Nurses Association, JENA, will be embarking on a full blackout day on Monday, February 10, 2025. Since December 2022, our lives have been rearranged negatively when the government introduced its new compensation package. Several attempts to correct or seek redress on our many issues have fallen on deaf ears. However, we are not letting up, hence our unity of a blackout day with the other association. Despite numerous promises and assurances, we are yet to receive our rightful compensation. Wanna hear that, my people? Wanna hear that? The Jamaica Midwife Association, they put out a memorandum because the government take them for fool and them tired of it. They must say enough is enough. So, when you turn up at the hospital them, or the clinic them, and nobody now look upon you, just remember say, it is the government fault. You cannot blame the nurses. You cannot blame the doctors. You hear me? All right. Let me repeat. Despite numerous promises and assurances, we are yet to receive our rightful compensation. The delayed payment has caused financial hardship and distress to us, and still we continue to provide essential healthcare services to our country. Wanna hear that, my people? Wanna hear what the nurses them say? Even though the government delayed them payment, it has caused them financial hardship and distress to them, and still them continue to provide essential care. Wanna hear that? Mighty God. Mighty God. All along, wanna stay quiet. Una want next one too. Una nurses, I want next one too. All along, wanna stay quiet and make we think say everything good. Make we think say everything good. Because me talk about it a few times, Me talk about it a few times, but you me not hear when you come out and say nothing to me. I say, okay, it look like everything legit. Look here now. You always wait until the last minute. You always wait. Let me ask you a question. Why you always wait till pressure bus pipe? Why you always wait till pressure bus pipe before you come out and talk these things? Mighty God. My people, let me continue. With the above said, on Monday, February 10, 2025, all midwives across the island of Jamaica is asked to adorn themselves professionally in full black for work duty. Together, we believe that a stronger message will be sent to Ministry of Finance and Public Service, Ministry of Health, and all 4 regions. So my wisdom warriors, so when they put on them full black, say a protest, them a protest. Say a protest, them a protest. You understand? This has been going on for too long. Uno make Nigel Clark trick on you, Uno make Nigel Clark trick on you. Uno make every time when uno call upon them for come pay, uno the money, them always run out with something and trick on you. And uno sit down for months and don't say anything. Say me not feel sorry for you. Me not feel sorry for you, but me just can't help myself. Me just can't help myself. You understand? Me just can't. And the people them when me really feel sorry for is the patient. Is the patient. This is why it's enough of the patient them get treated like this. Me can't believe that the government of the nurses them a walk like headless chicken and then I look upon them. And then he come out and come chat off him out all the while I come go on like them a good somebody. All the one Christopher Tufton. I can't go on like say my good health minister boy. Una go on like say una care for the country. Care for which country? Una care for yourself. Una don't care for nobody in the country except rich. Rich people alone on the focus pan. Rich people alone on the focus pan. And guess what? I know the rich people, them a vote for them, you know, are poor people. That's why when I see the poor people them behind, uno labor right, me have to really wonder. Me have to say, no man, it look like Andrew put a spell on uno. Andrew must put a spell on uno to box cover. No sir, this not real. This is not real. My people, this not supposed to happen. The people them a go through financial hardship. The people them a go through stress. You hear what them say? Them a go through financial hardship and stress. And them still have to come and work and try to put on a good face. No wonder why you see whole heap of people dead. No wonder why you see whole heap of patient stress out. And they not get the cure what they're supposed to get because of the government fault. If you don't make your staff happy, how you going to make your patient happy? Your staff them have to happy, you know. Your workers them have to happy, you know. Christopher Tufton, if you never know that, you know, the workers them have to happy for the patient them happy, you know, brother. Mighty God of Daniel, who no wicked do. Who no wicked. And when the labor right then see this, you know, them are going to say, go ahead and start cussing nurses them. Lord Jesus, mighty God, I'm asking for intervention. I'm asking God to take control of this. This is too much. Enough is enough. Member of Parliament for West Rural St. Andrew, Juliet Cockburn-Flynn, is calling on opposition leader Mark Golding to address allegation of misuse of public funds at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC. My wisdom warriors, you see this girl, you see this girl where she say she a national security. This girl, This girl, we say she and national security. I know me not say she come out and talk about Rosalie, you know. I know me not say she come out and talk about Rosalie. She come out and talk about Mark Golding. You come out and talk about Mark Golding and misuse of public funds. Are you being serious? Are you being serious? Look how much money uno spend. Let me ask you something. Look how much money uno spend per Matthew Samuda by election. Look how much $billions uno spend. Talk about that. Why should opposition leader come out and talk about this? You know, your opposition leader come out all the time and talk about the misuse of public funds. Where Delroy Williams, even remember, you know, Auditor General put out the report, you know. You don't forget, the report come out in a January gone, you know. 2025, you know, Juliet. So stop tell lie on the PNP, you know, girl. Stop tell lie, I owe you. I owe you. Stop tell lie on PNP. My wisdom warriors, can you imagine? Can you imagine Juliet Cockburn-Flynn come out and attack all this nonsense? Huh? What kind of misuse of public funds? The only misuse of public funds is the 33 million that has been missing underneath the Jamaica Labour Party where the Auditor General put out January gone. Remember, so the Auditor General just audit, you know. She just audit and put it out. So Juliet, what you talk about? We are talk about, don't call up Mark Golding name, girl. You're not qualified for that. You're not qualified for that. You understand? You're not qualified for that. Go wash out your mouth with detergent and that you need to go do. You're not qualified for that. My wisdom warriors, when I hear this woman come out and I tell lie, pure lies them I tell. Them so wicked to the Jamaican people. The crime is so bad in the country. The police them a kill off you them. SSL money transfer to Andrew Holness account. Andrew Holness use charity money. 33 million is unaccounted for underneath the Jamaica Labour Party when Delroy Williams was the mayor. The Auditor General put out the report January gone, January 2025. Talk about that. Talk about that. Stop spreading false information. Stop lying and fooling the Jamaican people. Hey, you don't really take Jamaican people for fooling, you know? I mean, I know how the frigga then just sit down so. The dirty king labor right, because at the labor right, them are the problem, you know. At the labor right, just because them dunce, them cause all of these problems we are happening right now. Them are Andrew Wellness. 1.7 trillion is missing, and you're out here talking about opposition leader fi come and talk about KSAMC. I uno fi come and talk about KSAMC because 33 million gone underneath the Jamaica Labour Party watch, and uno no come out and say nothing about it. So how dare you come out and talk about Mark Golding? How dare you come out, Juliet Cockburn Fling, and talk about Mark Golding? You think the people are idiot? We don't know lies? Uno use this station to come out and tell pure lies from the PNP. Uno is a disgrace to the Jamaican people. Big disgrace. Big disgrace. Anyhow, Cockburn Fling says Mr. Golding must indicate whether he intends to sanction his general secretary. My wisdom warriors, let me tell you now, they have one plan. Remember Sir Dayton Campbell, they on the EOJ, you know. Dayton Campbell, they on it. But them have more labor right over there. But Dayton Campbell is one of the commissioner. So they want to remove Dayton Campbell now. So them alone. So in an election time, them alone can in there and thief up everything. It not go so. That not go happen. Then can't go get to thief up the election. But at that them want. At that a them plan. You see our face? Look on our face, good. You know see our face with our lie itself? Me don't know why she not go tell Andrew Holness for resign. Lady, why you not go tell Andrew Holness for resign? And that you need to do. Tell Andrew Holness and Delroy Williams talk about the 33 million that is missing. Why don't you talk about the 33 million we're missing at the KSAMC underneath Delroy Williams watch when he was the mayor? Talk
Kingston
about that.
Mayor Delroy Williams is pushing back against claims of financial discrepancies highlighted in a recent Auditor General's report. The findings focus on millions in alleged unverified spending under a key municipal program during his tenure. The councillor sat down with Ramon Gordon to chat early Monday.
I'm going to ask you very pointedly, sir. Is that $33 million from your time as mayor missing?
And the answer to that is a clear no.
Former capital city mayor Delroy Williams has rejected allegations that $33 million went unaccounted for under his watch. The claims are outlined in a special report into the municipal's social housing program, which flagged the discrepancies during his tenure from 2018 to 2022.
We received $64 million to complete 8 projects. The 8 projects were completed at a total cost of roughly $61.3 million, so well in budget.
Williams has joined a growing chorus pushing back against recent reports which have raised questions about oversight in the government's Municipal Social Assistance Program, MSAP, and also the Prime Minister's new social housing program, which the AG has described as a duplicate of existing initiatives.
Speaking directly for the new social housing program, which has been unfairly, unreasonably and baselessly concluded as a duplication, that there is a committee comprised not only of members from the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, but there are persons from HART, persons from other entities who all come together to look at the case.
The KSAMC under Williams' leadership came under scrutiny for allegedly failing to provide documentation to verify how millions were spent. The program was reportedly injected with $63.3 million during his tenure.
8 projects were completed across the municipality. I'm seeing where the Auditor General has 4. It's really not 4. It's 8 projects completed. They are there. They are houses. They are there. People live. The beneficiaries are there. They live there. It's not difficult to check.
The Auditor General claims significant discrepancies across 4 municipalities, with unverified payments totaling $81 million. But Williams, who claims to have received the initial report first from CVM TV News, is questioning whether due process was followed during the audit.
While I was mayor, most audits conducted at the municipality had an exit interview. And it is at the exit interview that some things are resolved. I've asked of the administrative staff if an exit interview was done in this case, and I'm not satisfied. To date, I'm not satisfied that it was done.
The Auditor General is yet to respond to the backlash surrounding the report. Ramon Gordon, for C.
My wisdom warriors, me leave it at that. I want to like and share out this video. Tell a friend about Atta for the press. Blessings upon blessings. One love.